Hello, now you've got Caroline in the Scottish Highlands. I don't know about you, but did it look to you like gardening in Sussex and Eastbourne looked quite easy? It did to me, and here's why. I'll turn you around. This is where I garden. It's slightly different, isn't it? So this is just north of Inverness, and what's more, apart from the brutal climate, I'm gardening on 700 tonnes of infill, dumped here 2 years ago when I built my house. And look at these slopes. I have to trim all these myself, which is some mission, I can tell you. So I'm trying to plant them up with every shrub that's known to man so that I can cut down on my trimming tasks. Here we are. This is Cotoneaster lacteus, one of the hardiest of the Cotoneasters. Absolutely vital here, I can tell you. I'm going to take you up these steps. Now, my garden does not look as lovely as theirs, does it? I know, but it will do. There you are, Rhododendron Cali from Millet Nursery. Gorgeous colour. And there, can you see? Cornus Florida Sunset. Exactly the sort of thing that exasperates my sisters, who consider I have very low-brow gardening tastes. Here are my bent-on irises. I think Laura probably showed you hers in full flower. Mine have hardly got going. Now that's because up here, spring, frankly, doesn't start until the end of June. Well, I exaggerate slightly, but you get my drift. I want to take you very quickly down here. I know I'm against the clock. Look at that. My Euphorbia Ascot Rainbow. Another sort of thing that my sisters consider to be faddy, but I love. But otherwise, oh dear, way behind. You see, my sweet peas barely visible. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show you. Here, my Meconopsis Himalayan blue poppies. Aren't they lovely? To be fair, Laura gave me these, so I can't slag her off too much. But it's so heartbreaking. Neither of my sisters are able to grow these lovely plants. They love an acid soil and our crap climate, as it turns out. But here, this is my favourite bit of the garden I wanted to show you. Why? I'll show you further. What I do is bottom down, feet up, and what's that?